then you take another picture, then you take the picture of the final, like that. Like I said, you have to use your brain. All these things I don't have to be telling you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Honestly, I've done this tutorial before, but the video does not have audio. I tried to see how I can impute voiceover, but it's not my style, so I have to do this video again while explaining the screen recording on my system. I just pray it turns out very well. Well, this tutorial is how to do time lapse. I've done a part one on my page. You can check it out for building, building from scratch to finish, like that, to show the finished building of a house, right? So this one is for interior. Like I said, I've done the video before, like live video. While I was doing it, I was explaining, but it did not have audio, so I have to do this tutorial again. So bear with me, you're still going to understand it. Yeah, so again, how I started the video was I went on ChatGPT, right? And then I imputed the prompt. I think I'm going to leave the prompt somewhere in the description, right? I'll leave the prompt. So so the prompt was you are an elite architectural visualization expert, construction time-lapse storyteller, and hyper-realistic AI prompt engineer with a specialty in luxury artistic expose, flooring transformation. So you are responsible to create the viral interior renovation concept, produce extremely detailed image for this, like I said, I'll leave the description. So that's the first thing. Once you just copy that prompt, you just paste it on ChatGPT as usual. So ChatGPT will come up with it will so ChatGPT will come up with different transformation video that you can do, like example from spa to kitchen to like different interior. This one is just for like the interior. So you can just copy the one that you want. Maybe you can tell it to do maybe number one and number five. So I chose number nine in this tutorial, and then it came up with the image prompt, form image prompt. That is what you do, because you're going to need the image prompt from the first to the second, then the second to the third, then third to the fourth. So that's how the time lapse is. So once it comes up with all this image prompt, you copy it and then take it to Google Gemini to go and generate the images. So if you're doing it in real time, right? So you must have taken the picture of the before of your house. You take the picture of the before of your building, that is the interior of your building, then take the um during the design, like when you've imputed some few designs, then you take another picture, then you take the picture of the final, like that. Like I said, you have to use your brain. All these things I don't have to be telling you, but this one is because I don't have an actual picture of an interior, whatever. So that's why I'm using prompt to generate my own image. So you can do it realistically. Is there any English like realistically? Hey, well, so you generate the first image, right? Then go on to generate the second, like that. So this is the first image. Then next thing, image three, you copy the prompt, paste, right? Then the fourth image, we do for the fourth, copy, then take it to generate the image. So after you've done all these things, you now want to go to your image to video tool. And for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be using Kling AI. That's what I will be using, Kling AI. You can use any video and any image to video tool of your choice. Or like I said, I'll be using Kling AI. So after that, um, downloading the images first. Download. And this one, you download the image. So I have all my images ready. So if you are an interior decor, you should have the images of your before to after of any this thing that you're doing. So now you now input this prompt. It will come up with the video prompt that we will use on Kling AI. So we'll now open our image to video tool, Kling AI. They will sign in. Video generation, then start and end frame. So you want to input the start frame. The start frame will be the beginning, the first picture, and then the second picture. Then the end frame will be the second picture. Then you copy that first video image prompt, upload then you copy this first prompt right there. You want to paste, and then it generates. So once it has generated, you do for the second video, which is the second frame and the third frame. You go again, you copy your second prompt, you impute it, right? Then after you go to, after the image has downloaded, has generated rather, you do the last one. You upload your third image and the fourth image and then the third prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. And after that, you have your video. And if you do everything correctly, you should have this result right now. Simple as XYZ. So that's it. Again, like I always say, pick the sense from the nonsense. And thank you for watching this tutorial video. See you on my next video. Ciao, ciao.